Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. So on the menu, I'll be doing curry chicken foot mixed with Chickenback, and then I'll maybe cook some white rice, some avocado, and some fried plantains. So I went ahead, I already seasoned the chicken foot and the Chickenback together, but to save me some time today, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my power cooker. So I'll be doing the chicken foot in the power cooker and then transfer it to the pot with the Chickenback. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out, add them to the pot. So this is the Chickenback that's left, so I'm going to do this on the stove while that is cooking. So I'm going to go ahead to start this off. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot. While this is going on, I'm going to go ahead and start with the curry Chickenback. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the stove on, and I like to burn my curry. So I'm just going to get some curry and burn it. I'm waiting on the pot to get hot before I add the oil and the curry. I went ahead and add the cooking oil to the pot, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some curry. So I'm just going to go ahead and burn this. I'm going to go ahead and add some ginger and garlic to the curry that I'm burning. Now that I'm done burning the curry, I'm going to go ahead and add the Chickenback. So I'm going to go ahead and let it fry on both sides, then cover the pot and let it steam. Once this is done, the chicken foot, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the Chickenback. I wish you guys could smell this ginger mixed with this curry. It smells so good. So I just put them over, so I'm waiting on the next side before I cover the pot and let them steam. Now the chicken foot is going. It's already 7 minutes in, and I'm waiting on that to season. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot. Let that steam a little while I wait on this one to add to it. So I have 5 minutes left. Now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and let this out, the steam out. While I'm letting this out, I'm going to go ahead and check it. So now it's time for me to open. I like to plug it up and open. I'm going to show you guys, these are, as you can see, these are done because they're coming off the bone. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer them to the chicken back. So I'm going to take some of this water, add it to the seasoning in this, then I'm going to just go ahead and pour it in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Cover the pot and let it cook. So I won't be throwing this remainder out because I'll be needing it, so I'm going to just leave it here. Put away this. While that is on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my bell peppers, carrots, and onions to add to the meat. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot. gonna go ahead and add the rest of the water. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some rice to go with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the rice. I didn't measure it, so I don't know how much rice it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it and put it on this. I'm gonna go ahead, peel this. What? Plantain? The pot is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry these. I love to place whatever I fry on a piece of paper towel to get some of that oil out. I'm going to go ahead and plate these up. Here you go, guys. This is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.